Alright, so we're out here on the boat ramp by, I guess everybody should know this spot, but it's like on 45. And we're gonna try to head out over here by the right side and see what we can get. I don't know. The day isn't bad, it's a little bit cloudy, but the sun's still coming through, so. And I'm freaking wearing shorts. Probably shouldn't have done that. I do have sunscreen though, but it's all good. Honestly, more than likely what I'm gonna get into, if I do get into any fish, more than likely it's gonna be flounder. I would love to get into some redfish, but I don't know. All right, so I don't know how it looks on camera, but we are actually a little bit closer to the rocks and we're getting flipped around. See, this is why I hate fishing off the kayak. And I don't even have an anchor. I used to have an anchor, but I lost it. So we're just gonna turn around and face this way, and hopefully the kayak will turn this way as well. Keep me like this, please. Do not fucking turn me around. Don't you dare. Uh-oh, I think I just seen something right there. It must have been a flounder. Oh shit, that's not even where it happened. It's all good. Gonna end up sneaking right behind him. Ooh. Okay, he's on it. Yup, let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Please tell me that's a keeper. Please tell me that's a keeper. Don't come off, don't come off. Nah, hell no, he's not a keeper. Look at that, he came off right when I got him into the net. We're still gonna measure him though, but I highly doubt it. And that's the splash I saw earlier too. Get on that. Let's get our asses out of here first. Oh shit, man. Oh, I think we just scared all of them then. He looks to be about 14, but I heard they changed it to 15. I don't know, we'll find out. Might keep him, might not, but more than likely I'm probably gonna put him back anyway, but let's just find out how big he is. Let's just find out. Hopefully we can do that real quick. Now my ruler. My paddle does have a measuring on it, but it gets to 11, and over here it just skips to 21. So we're gonna assume like about here it's like, how does that even work? It just seems like it skips a lot. So it goes like 1, so there's 12 right there, 13, 14, and like 15 about here. Let's just see what happens. Come on, man. Ugh. You see, I would love to have some pliers too, because I feel like I'm about to drop this guy. We should be far enough. Yeah, we're gonna drop this guy. It's all good though. He's gonna escape. Yeah, see? Alright, so we got him here, right at the head. Alright, and he goes all the way past 11. See, like, there's the head, right where it says IN. I hope you guys can see that. Then over here goes 11. You're just gonna have to trust me on this. I didn't bring the little measuring thing. We're just gonna assume he's undersized. He gets to about 14. Jesus, man. It's probably like 14, high 13s. It's all good though. So one more and I think I'm gonna have to make my way back to the boat ramp. I'm not seeing anything over here. Let's start heading on back. I'm gonna cut the video right here and then we're gonna resume fishing over there somewhere by the boat ramp. Because I don't know if y'all can see from the GoPro, but maybe I'm just lazy, but it is quite a way to go, especially paddling. So we'll just go over there. At least we can say I did not get skunked whatsoever. Caught a flounder. Probably not a keeper though, but close. I want to say close. Looks like I did come late to the party, man. Just one fish in like, what, 2 hours? There it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. Another one. Right at the kayak, bro. Right at the kayak. No. Don't come off. No. Don't come off. Don't come off. Let's bring his ass back in here. Too small, but oh shit, thank God. I thought for a second I thought I had my reel inside of the salt. I was like, bro, how am I so dumb? Chill, fam. Oof. Got your ass right in your brain. Headshot. I'm not proud of that, by the way. I'm just saying. Oh, shoot. Put this in there. I am not proud of that, but I am just saying I did indeed get him right behind his head. Stop, bro. I'm literally trying to get it out, dude. It's almost out, buddy. Literally almost out. Here we go. Look, see, you already spit it out. It's right there. Let go of it. Where's the little guy? Stop shaking. Let's get. Oh. Stop, bro. Stop. We're gonna get one right there for the video. Right there. Can I even see it? I think it should be around there. Little guy. This time I'm not gonna forget to take a picture with my phone, but he was up here because this whole thing is like a flat right from this island. You see my hand pops up in the video, from this island all the way around here up to that little, well, probably even more from what I could tell. It's all flat except for over there because the boats pass over there, so there's like a drop off, a small drop off, not that big, but all these things are flat. So as far as I know, might be wrong, but I want to get off and just push the kayak to where there's more water. Ugh. Better shoes, to be honest. I'm only about to get sliced up real quick. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? The fucking sandal just came right off. Ugh, bro. This is not nice. Looks like after here it's cleared up though. Alright, time to call it a day. I'm just making excuses, but I did not come at a good time of the day. Alright. I also had a time limit. Wind was pretty okay. I guess it was bad on the way back. But yeah, I don't know, those are my excuses for today. But for next video, hopefully I won't have any at all, and I'll get that video out there, and it'll be a lot better than this one. But this one's just gonna be a short video. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna keep it probably less than 10 minutes. But I'll see you guys next time, and yeah, hopefully one of you guys subscribes and actually gives me a chance to prove that I can catch more fish than just